Alright, so, today, I'm gonna do the part 2 video of me hanging some stuff from a fan falling down. This is my Harbor Resort to my room, as you should know. So I put one of my cat's cat toys on here, and I put tissues on every single blade. I also put pens on the other 4 blades, except for this one, but I put tissues on all of them. I'll show you, this is my cat, and speaking of my cats, here he is. Yeah, he likes to play with his toy. Anyways, I'm gonna get in the stepladder to show you all the pens. There's one there, one there, and one there. I don't know if you could see it. Anyways, I'm gonna just turn the fan on here. So I'll show you the switch to it. This is the switch to it. Turn it on. Here it is. Nothing fell yet. Oh, that pen went. That pen went. Those tissues went. Oh, okay. He's right here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Those things went. My cat's like, what the heck is going on? He's like, what the heck? Why is this stuff coming from the ceiling? Oh, that pen went behind me. Now we gotta wait for these two. My cat's so confused. Oh, look at him. Look at this. I think there's only 2 more tissues. It's hard to tell because the fan's running. Come on, fall. I should have realized that my cat was here. I could have gotten a good reaction. Well, we still got a pretty good reaction. He's staring at the stuff on the ground, like, why is it on the ceiling? I don't think he knows it's from the ceiling fan. But he knows it's coming from the ceiling. Like, why is it falling on the ground? These 2 tissues are not coming off. I don't want to have to take them off myself. Or if we could, maybe if I turn the fan up a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm really impatient. I'm gonna turn the fan up to medium. Maybe that'll help it fall. This is medium. Oh, that one. Oh, it's starting to come off, I can tell. Whoa, it's on the edge of the blades. Okay, he's going crazy. Oh, this is gonna be a funny video. Come on. It's going crazy, oh my gosh. Okay, it fell. Look at his face. Okay. Oh, people are gonna love this, okay. Oh, that one fell too. I didn't realize how many tissues there were. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.